Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing Twitch stream delay so your chat and stream feel more real-time. First, open your streaming software like OBS and go to Settings. Click Advanced and look for the Stream Delay option. If Stream Delay is enabled, turn it off or reduce the delay time, then apply the changes. Next, check your Twitch dashboard and make sure Low Latency mode is enabled in your stream settings. This helps reduce viewer delay significantly. Now, lower your bit rate slightly because very high bit rates can increase delay for viewers. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and not overloaded. Close background apps using bandwidth, like downloads or Cloud Sync. Finally, restart your stream after applying changes. These steps help minimize delay and make your Twitch stream more responsive for live interaction. Subscribe the channel for more videos.